Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your BASEUS Eli Sport 1. You have to start by open the application and now click on your earbuds here. Then go to the settings and right here we have software version, click on it and click start upgrading. Don't use your earbuds, just wait until this update is finished. Now click home and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!